Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Defender and I'm going to be installing the heavy duty bumper. Let's get to it. Here's the bumper that comes in the kit. We also got some hardware, some stickers, and if you need the paper instructions, go to instructions.brp.com. To get the paper instructions, go to BRP, Instructions, enter your part number, and we're going to go with Rancher front bumper. And you can print the instructions from here. First thing I'm going to do is remove the stock bumper. Now we're going to install the new bumper. First we're going to slide in these long bushings. Then we're going to take our two long bolts, we're going to go through the bumper, and then slide on one of these small spacers. Now we're going to slide these long bolts through the long spacers on the machine. And then we'll take two of the nuts provided in the kit and install them on the back side. I'm also going to take two of these medium-sized bolts and go through the bottom holes here and put a nut on the back side as well. I'm now going to go ahead and tighten up all the bolts. Now I'm going to install the bottom parts of the bumper with these Torx bolts coming in from the side here and the 5mm Allen key screw from the top on the back side of the bumper. Once all your bolts are tight, this install is all done. The last thing I'm going to do is take some brake clean. I'm going to clean off right here so that I can stick on the reflectors on both sides. If you found this one useful, drop me a super thanks. It really goes a long way to helping out the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my front bumper install on the Can-Am Defender HD10. Ride safe.